It's AumSum time!
Why do birds crash into windows?
Because they don't ring bells and walk through doors.
Oh, AumSum. It is estimated that close to 1 billion birds crash into windows and die in the US each year. Firstly, researchers believe that just like humans, even birds are not able to see transparent glass. Humans can anticipate the presence of transparent glass based on some visual clues like frames or knobs. But birds lack the ability to do so. Secondly, it is believed that collisions occur more frequently during breeding season, as birds, after seeing their own reflection in the window, misjudge it for a different bird and attack it. Lastly, it is also believed that birds perceive the reflected images in the glass to be real objects. Hence, collisions occur more often when glasses reflect images of food or shelter. Why are birds shrinking in size?
I don't know. Maybe they should be eating more cookies.
Oh, AumSum. A research conducted over 40 years by collecting more than 70,000 samples of 52 North American migratory birds clearly shows that birds are definitely decreasing in size. The lower leg of the bird is commonly used as a measure of its body size. It was found that its length reduced by more than 2% during this period. Researchers believe that this decrease in body size is related to increase in global temperature. Why? Because a smaller body size allows the birds to cool off more quickly, as in lose body heat faster. It was also observed that during the same period, wingspans of birds increased by more than 1%. Researchers believe that migratory birds compensate for smaller body sizes by increasing their wingspans. This makes them better equipped to survive their long migratory journeys. Why don't birds get electrocuted on power cables? 'Cause they wear shockproof shoes. Nah. Electricity is the flow of electrons through conductors. It always takes the easiest route. That is, electricity always flows through a path of least resistance. Now, the power cables through which electricity flows are made of copper. Copper offers least resistance and is a very good conductor of electricity. However, the bird's body offers greater resistance and is not a good conductor as copper. Hence, electricity ignores the bird and flows through the cables, and birds don't get electrocuted. Besides this, electricity flows from its highest potential to its lowest. Now, the power cables usually run at different potentials. If birds' feet are on the same power cable, then they are at same potential. Thus, the bird doesn't get electrocuted. However, when the bird touches two cables with different potentials at the same time, then electricity will flow through the bird to go to the other cable with a lower potential, and the bird will get electrocuted. Why do birds fly in V formation?
'Cause V is for victory.
Oh, dude. Flocks of birds like geese and pelicans fly in V formations to make flight easier. In V formations, when a bird flaps its wings, the air behind the bird gets pushed downward, creating a downwash, while the air towards its sides gets pushed upward, creating an upwash. This produces rotating vortices. If another bird flies in these upwash zones, it gets a free lift and glides due to reduced air resistance. Thus, birds are able to fly long distances without putting much effort and maintaining a clear line of sight. Besides this, since the bird in the lead faces greater air resistance, the birds keep changing their positions in the V and take turns as leaders. This maximizes the use of each bird's energy, allowing flocks to fly without having to stop. Why is bird poop white?
'Cause they eat white chocolate.
No. Firstly, it is not the poop that is white. The green or brown part present in the center of the white portion is the actual poop of birds. Confused? The kidneys in humans extract nitrogenous waste like urea from blood and release it in the form of liquid urine. But the kidneys of birds don't produce urine. Instead, they excrete the nitrogenous waste as uric acid. This acid is the white portion. Besides this, humans have 2 exit points, one to remove urine produced by kidneys, and the other to remove poop produced by intestines. But birds have only one exit point, called cloaca. The poop from intestines, that is the green part, and the uric acid from kidneys are excreted at the same time, thus producing a cocktail of poop and pee.